Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to render in Davinci Resolve. So let's get straight into it. Now let's say we are happy with our video, we have finished everything, we have used the effects, color grading and music. Now you will see here this deliver tab. So this is basically rendering rocket ship icon, so select that. Now here on the right side, on the left side, sorry, you see here some custom export. So you can set everything, file name, location, then export video, format, then codec, encoder, quality, and so on. Also, you can select simply just if you drag this here, you also see that you can select different uh, export options. So let's go for a YouTube, and then you have here more simply settings. So still you need to file name and location. Then here you can select resolution, frame rate. So resolution, however, you have bunch of options here. Then frame rate and format, MP4, QuickTime, video codec, and type, and so on. When you are finished with that, just click Add to Render Queue, and this will be shown right here in this right side, Render Queue, right here. And when you have it here, you just click Start Render or render this job. And yeah, you will need to wait a bit. So let's go. As you can see here now, job 2 and render 1. And just like that, I started the rendering. And when this finished, I have here in my location that video, which I can post to YouTube. So this is basically it, how you can render. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.